Hi friends! I know this is a new angle. I'm sitting at my husband's desk because the sun is shining through on my craft table, which makes filming just horrible. And I have to tell you, I usually have like an external camera. It's been so long since I made a video. I don't even know where the adapter is. I couldn't get it plugged in or anything. So we're just gonna use the camera on the old laptop. I just kind of wanted to share with you some stuffed stockings that I made. So I do have these beautiful shabby stockings listed in my Etsy store, and there are a few that you can buy that are not filled, and those are actually on sale right now. Since we're getting so close to Christmas, I can still get it to you by Christmas, I think, if you order quickly. But I did stuff too. One of them is the vanilla and white, and then a pink one, because yes. But I just wanted to show you quickly what I put in those. So let me see how I can maneuver this camera down and do that thing. I think we're good. So this is the vanilla and white, and it will come with this shabby tag. I love me a good old fabric shabby tag. That will be pinned onto the front. And this one has this gorgeous flower and this bling that I just love, and so many yummy layers. And this is a sequined bridal lace. And then this beautiful embroidered lace here, and then a bridal applique at the bottom. And then inside this one, you are going to receive this vintage wooden spool with this beautiful scalloped eyelet with a, excuse me, my nose of course is starting to run because my dog is right next to me. Bless him, he's so cute, but his dander is going to kill me. It has one of my little snippet strips and a vintage piece of jewelry pinned on to that. So with the tag. And then each one has some ruffles. I put the, kind of tried to match the color. So this one is like white and cream ruffles. I did not make these ruffles myself, but there's white tulle and really pretty cream lace, and then a white lace, and they are clipped together with this little dangle. So cuties. So there's the ruffles. And then this one has this tag with this beautiful vintage lace. It's really so gorgeous. And then one of my stick pins is holding that on. Aren't they beautiful? I love a pretty stick pin. I just love it. So that's in there. And now this one has this prayer journal that I created. It's so cute, and I'm sure I have a walkthrough video. It has a tie closure that I untied so I could show you. But it's really pretty. So each one is a pocket. It's an envelope journal, so there's pockets everywhere, places to journal, tags with scriptures, and these are some AI generated images that I created myself. So it's just beautiful and full of sweetness. So that is in the white and cream one, along with this little applique I created. There's an applique in the other one too that I made, kind of like a handmade embellishment, if you will. And then each one has a big piece of bling. So let me show you how big this one is. So there's this piece. Isn't it gorgeous? It's like a weird angle for me to show you, but and while I do have these stuffed stockings in my Etsy store, I don't have the pictures of everything that's in the stocking. So I will get those added this afternoon. And also each one has one of these cork dangle kits in it. So this is the cork dangle that I created, and it's kind of like your inspiration piece for the bits that are in here to show you how you can put it together and make your own cork dangle. So what a sweet gift to give yourself or a crafty friend. I just love these. So that is everything that's going to be in that one. So let me set that to the side and I will show you what's in the pink one. much yumminess. All right. And now the pink one will have this pretty little shabby tag. It's so cuties. That will be clipped to the front. And it has this beautiful trim and the pleated tulle that I love, and the polka dot tulle trims, gorgeous. And then this trim with all the gold flecks and plenty of dangles, and this really pretty applique at the bottom. So pretty. Oh, I'm trying not to have to blow my nose, you guys. Sorry about that. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, so in this one is a vintage wooden spool with this beautiful wide lace. Look how pretty. And a piece of my snippet strip with a snowflake charm. So cute. The tag. And this one has white and pink ruffles. So you've got a really long white with pink polka dots, and then a shorter pink with white polka dots, and then this really pretty lace right here, and they're all clipped together on a bulb pin with one of my tulle charms that I make myself. I just think they're so stinking cute. So one of those, and then this really pretty sparkly bauble. There we go. Oh, that slid right off of there. Let's see if I can scooch that bag on. There's this really pretty tag that someone sent me. It's got Santa on it. I think it's from a Prima paper pad. I love this. I have had it for years. And I wrapped it with this vintage eyelet lace. I put one of my beautiful stick pins right there. Gorgeous. And this is the handmade embellishment in here. Isn't it cute? Look at all the buttons and the fringe. I love that. So cuties. There we go. And then in this one, I put my beautiful tag flip that I created, and I do have a video that goes through this whole thing, and it's one of my handmade doily flowers, and then I've got it tied together with a beautiful charm, and it's full of beads and laces, tulle and gorgeousness, and cute adorable images that you can use in your crafting. So they're all on a ring, so they're all detachable, so every piece of this you could use and take it apart and use. So that is what's in this one. So cute. I love that so much. And then here is the piece of bling in this one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So that's in there. And then the cork tassel kit with an already made cork tassel. Isn't that sweet? So I believe that if you ordered these quickly, I can get these to you by Christmas. And if you wanted to send it to someone else, all you got to do is just message me on Etsy and let me know. But if you just want one of my gorgeous stockings, they are actually listed and on sale. So please follow the link below to my Etsy store. And thanks for watching, everybody. And Merry Christmas.